Welcome to our video on the 4 best vegetables to clean arteries and prevent heart attacks. Your heart health is of utmost importance, and we're here to reveal the green superheroes that can pave the way to clear and healthy arteries. In a world full of tempting treats, it's essential to embrace the power of plant-based foods, especially vegetables, to nurture our cardiovascular health. These vibrant wonders of nature are not only delicious but also packed with nutrients that can help keep our arteries squeaky clean and protect us from the lurking threat of heart attacks. We all know that our arteries play a crucial role in transporting oxygen and nutrients throughout our bodies. However, over time, they can become clogged with plaque, a buildup of cholesterol and fatty deposits that narrow the blood vessels, leading to potential heart complications. But fear not, for Mother Nature has bestowed upon us a bounty of vegetables that can be our heart's allies. These superhero veggies are armed with potent antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds and heart-loving nutrients that work together to keep our arteries smooth and free-flowing. In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the garden of cardiovascular health, where we'll unveil the top 4 vegetables that can help scrub away artery-clogging villains. Prepare to be amazed as we unlock the secrets behind their powerful abilities to promote artery cleanliness and resilience. Number 4. Leafy greens. Leafy greens such as spinach, kale and collard greens are nutritional powerhouses that offer a multitude of benefits for heart health. Packed with vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, these leafy vegetables have been shown to be instrumental in maintaining healthy arteries and preventing heart attacks. One of the key advantages of leafy greens is their ability to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, is a significant risk factor for heart disease and can put strain on the arteries, leading to damage and plaque formation. Studies have found that a diet rich in leafy greens can help reduce blood pressure levels, promoting better cardiovascular health. Furthermore, the antioxidants found in these greens, such as vitamin C and vitamin E, play a crucial role in protecting arteries from inflammation. By consuming leafy greens regularly, you can potentially reduce artery inflammation and support the overall health of your cardiovascular system. Number 3 is broccoli. This cruciferous delight is not only a delicious addition to any meal but also a nutritional powerhouse that can work wonders for your heart health. Packed with essential nutrients, broccoli offers a wealth of benefits, especially when it comes to protecting your precious ticker. One of the key heart protective compounds found in broccoli is sulforaphane. This potent plant compound has gained attention for its remarkable antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Oxidative stress caused by an imbalance of free radicals and antioxidants in the body can lead to damage to the cells and arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. Sulforaphane swoops in like a caped crusader, neutralizing those pesky free radicals and reducing oxidative stress, ultimately supporting heart health. However, chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your cardiovascular system, contributing to the development of atherosclerosis and increasing the risk of heart attacks. But fear not, because sulforaphane and broccoli is here to save the day. Its anti-inflammatory prowess helps tame the flames of chronic inflammation, providing protection to your arteries and keeping your heart healthy and happy. Moreover, broccoli is a rich source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K and potassium. To make the most of broccoli's heart-loving benefits, consider incorporating it into your meals regularly. Whether you prefer it raw in a crunchy salad, steamed as a delicious side dish, or blended into a nourishing soup, broccoli is a versatile veggie that can easily become a staple in your heart-healthy diet. Number 2 on our list is the creamy and luscious avocado. This delectable fruit not only delights our taste buds but also nourishes our cardiovascular system with its heart-healthy goodness. If you're looking to boost your heart health and keep those arteries in tip-top shape, avocados are here to save the day. One of the most remarkable features of avocados is their rich content of monounsaturated fats. These heart-loving fats are like guardian angels for your arteries, swooping in to lower the levels of LDL cholesterol. Keeping your blood pressure in check is crucial for maintaining healthy arteries and preventing hypertension, a risk factor for heart disease. Moreover, avocados are brimming with fiber, which aids in removing excess cholesterol from the bloodstream. Fiber acts like a gentle broom, sweeping away the cholesterol that might otherwise linger in your arteries, supporting your heart's well-being. So whether you spread it on toast, blend it into a smoothie, or simply savor it straight from the spoon, adding avocados to your diet is a delightful and heart-smart choice. Let this versatile fruit be your ally in the quest for a robust and resilient cardiovascular system, as you enjoy its velvety texture and exquisite flavor. Number 1. Tomatoes. These red wonders are not just a feast for the eyes and taste buds but also a boon for our arteries. Tomatoes boast a powerful heart protective compound called lycopene, and it's time we give this antioxidant the recognition it deserves. Lycopene is like a superhero for our cardiovascular system, swooping in to defend our arteries from the harmful effects of oxidation. When LDL cholesterol becomes oxidized, it sets the stage for plaque formation in the arteries. This plaque can gradually build up and narrow the blood vessels, potentially leading to heart attacks and other cardiovascular woes. Lycopene acts as a vigilant guard, preventing the oxidation of LDL cholesterol. It's like a shield that keeps the harmful cholesterol from causing havoc in our arteries, thus reducing the risk of artery clogging and promoting heart health. Tomatoes are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure, and fiber, which aids in the removal of cholesterol from the bloodstream. Together, these components work in harmony to support healthy arteries and a happy heart. Lycopene is more readily absorbed by our bodies when tomatoes are cooked or processed. So whether you prefer fresh tomatoes in your salads or indulge in a savory tomato sauce, you can rest assured that you're reaping the heart-nurturing benefits of lycopene. And there you have it, the top 4 best vegetables to clean arteries and prevent heart attacks. We hope this information has been valuable and insightful. As always, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative content like this. Thanks for watching and have a healthy and happy day.